Are you navigating the modern dating world, new to dating, looking for meaningful connections, or needing support handling relationship challenges? Are you tired of pestering your friends for dating advice, or spending hours crafting the perfect profile that never works? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how ChatGPT can become your free, always-on dating coach, tailored just for you. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create captivating dating profiles that help you stand out from the crowd and attract high-value matches. You'll get tailored advice that boosts your confidence and saves you from second-guessing your choices. Plus, you'll know how to write compelling messages that spark genuine connections and keep conversations flowing. Even designing your own relationship coach based on your favorite real-life ones, giving you the ultimate advantage in navigating the dating world, all with the power of AI. Welcome to AI Wealth Lab, the channel that makes mastering AI simple and actionable. Whether you're a professional looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind or a side hustler ready to scale, we've got the tools, hacks, and strategies you need to transform your life and finances. From automating daily tasks to building passive income streams, our videos guide you step by step to success. Subscribe now and join a community turning tech into freedom, one click at a time. Why is AI and ChatGPT so perfect for dating applications? They have a unique blend of accessibility, personalization, adaptability, and knowledge. Unlike traditional dating advice sources, ChatGPT is available 24/7, meaning you can get support anytime that you need it, whether it's a quick pep talk before a date or help drafting that first message. ChatGPT also excels at processing vast amounts of information, allowing it to tailor responses specific to your situation. It can analyze patterns in your past interactions or offer advice based on common dating scenarios without judgment or bias. This means you can experiment, ask questions, and seek guidance without any embarrassment or pressure. Plus, ChatGPT learns and adapts to the way you communicate, ensuring that the advice and assistance it provides feels natural and in line with your personality. This makes it an invaluable tool for fine-tuning your dating strategy and gaining the confidence to put your best foot forward. Let's look at Alex, a 32-year-old graphic designer with a generic dating profile that reads, "I like movies, music, and hanging out with friends, looking for someone fun." With the help of ChatGPT, Alex provided details about his love for outdoor film festivals, indie rock concerts, and exploring new coffee shops. ChatGPT generates a profile that reads, "Passionate about finding the perfect soundtrack to life, whether it's an indie concert or a quiet coffee shop jam. Catch me at outdoor film festivals, admiring clever cinema, or experimenting with latte art on a Sunday. Looking for a partner who's up for deep conversations and spontaneous adventures." Within weeks, Alex notices a significant increase in matches who share his specific interests, leading to meaningful conversations and dates that feel more aligned with his lifestyle. Or Mia, a 28-year-old teacher struggling with opening lines and sending bland messages like, "Hey, how are you?" That didn't lead anywhere. Using ChatGPT, Mia crafts a personalized opening line tailored to her match's profile. If someone mentioned they love hiking, she says, "I see you're a fan of hiking. What's your favorite trail, and is it as breathtaking as the view from the top?" This approach leads to immediate responses as people appreciate the effort and specificity. Mia finds that conversations flow more naturally, this way establishing connections that turn into actual face-to-face meetups. And finally, Sarah, a 30-year-old marketing consultant, unsure of which photos would best represent her personality. Her profile includes selfies and group shots where she doesn't really stand out. Using ChatGPT to receive tips on photo selection, Sarah advises her photo lineup. replacing selfies with photos of her hiking a scenic trail, candid shots at a concert, and a professional headshot. The change resulting in a 40% increase in profile views and more matches who reference her photos in conversation starters. So how do you leverage this to show off your best, most magnificent self? Let's start with the basics. Crafting your online dating profile and engaging in meaningful conversations. One of the biggest challenges in online dating is creating a profile that stands out amongst thousands of others. A well-written profile is essential because it's your first opportunity to make an impression and showcase who you are in a way that resonates with potential matches. A profile that truly reflects your personality and highlights your unique qualities can set you apart and attract matches who align with your interests and value. This is where ChatGPT can become a game changer. By providing detailed information such as your hobbies, key personality traits, and what you're looking for in a partner, it can help you craft a profile that not only feels authentic, but presents you in the best light possible. Even better, you can brief ChatGPT to understand the person you're aiming to attract and write your profile accordingly. For example, if you're looking for someone who shares your love for adventure, humor, and deep conversations, you can instruct ChatGPT to emphasize those aspects in your profile. This tailored approach ensures your profile speaks directly to the type of person you want to meet, improving your chances of attracting high-value matches that are genuinely compatible with you. For example, we can use a prompt that says, create a dating profile for someone who likes hiking, indie music, and is a coffee enthusiast. Make it witty and warm. With just that, ChatGPT can craft a profile that is captivating, specific, and free of cliches. You can tweak it to make even more personal and ensuring it reflects your voice and intentions. But creating the perfect profile is just one part of the equation. Choosing the right photographs is equally important. ChatGPT can offer guidance on what types of images are most effective for attracting the kind of matches you desire. Whether it's a candid shot showing your adventurous side, a photo that highlights your sense of style, or one that showcases a fun activity you love, ChatGPT can provide tips on which photos to include to showcase your best qualities and make your profile more appealing. When it comes to messaging potential matches, first impressions can make or break your chances of a connection. A thoughtful, engaging opener can capture someone's attention and set the stage for a meaningful conversation. Generic greetings like, "Hey, how's it going?" often fall flat, but ChatGPT can help you create messages that are specific and tailored to the person's profile or shared interests. Whether you're looking for a clever icebreaker, a follow-up question, or a witty response that sparks curiosity, ChatGPT has you covered. Using ChatGPT, you can confidently approach conversations with a personalized touch, keeping interactions fresh and engaging. This is especially helpful when trying to maintain the momentum of a conversation and prevent it from fizzling out. Whether you need inspiration for playful banter, an insightful question, or a way to gracefully transition into asking someone out, ChatGPT acts as your reliable guide for making strong first impressions and sustaining connections. Now let's walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to set up prompts in ChatGPT to create your very own personalized relationship coach, one that's always available and giving you tailored advice based on your unique relationship situation. Whether you're navigating challenges with a current partner or prepping for an upcoming date, ChatGPT can simulate the guidance of your favorite author, therapist, or relationship expert. By adjusting the prompts, you can brief ChatGPT to channel the tone, style, and expertise of the relationship coach that resonates most with you. This allows you to receive advice that's not only relevant to your situation, but also aligned with your preferred approach to relationships. To brief ChatGPT to be your personalized dating coach, you can tailor the prompts to align with your unique needs, preferences, and dating goals. The key is to provide detailed context about your situation and what kind of advice or style of coaching you're looking for. Here are some examples of situations and prompts that you can use. Situation 1. You just want some general dating guidance. If you just want a quick dating overview, then this is the option for you. The prompt goes as follows. ChatGPT, I need dating advice. I'm 42 years old, recently divorced, and I'm looking for a meaningful connection. I'm interested in meeting someone who's smart, fit, and emotionally secure. Please give me tips on how to approach conversations and identify if someone is genuinely interested in me. Situation 2. You need some help with date preparation. If you have successfully set up your profile and met a potential match, firstly, congratulations. And then try out one of these prompts. They will help you develop conversation starters that feel natural and help you to get to know someone in a condensed time frame. Prompt 1. ChatGPT, I have a date coming up with someone I'm really interested in. Can you help me come up with a fun, interesting question to ask during the date that will help me get to know them better without feeling forced or too personal? Prompt 2. ChatGPT, I struggle with initiating conversations and keeping them engaging in dating apps. Can you help me craft a playful, but not too forward, message to send to someone I just matched with? I want to show interest without being too aggressive. Situation number 3. You're navigating uncertainty in a new relationship. Has the conversation been flowing for a while but you just can't seem to get them to meet? Then it's time for a fresh, unbiased perspective. ChatGPT is amazing for this. It can help you get a view of the relationship dynamic as a whole. The prompt for this. ChatGPT, I've been texting someone for a while, but they haven't been making an effort to meet in person. I'm feeling frustrated and unsure whether they're genuinely interested in me. Can you give me advice on how to address this without coming across as too needy or passive? Or you can dig even deeper and share your text thread in a prompt to get personalized recommendations based on the actual conversational flow. Scenario number 4, setting boundaries. Do you have trouble understanding when to say no? Then this prompt is for you. Ask for help determining appropriate boundaries and how to keep them. The prompt goes as follows. ChatGPT, I'm not sure how to set boundaries in dating. I want to be clear about my expectations for emotional connection and respect, but I also don't want to come off as too rigid or controlling. Can you give me tips on how to communicate my boundaries effectively? In addition to these general situations, you can also go a step further and channel your favorite relationship expert, ideal if you love the style and advice of your go-to YouTuber or author. For example, the prompt goes as follows. ChatGPT, can you answer my dating questions using the approach of Matthew Hussey? I want advice on how to appear confident and engaging in the early stages of dating without seeming too eager. Please follow his tone and advice style. By setting these types of personalized prompts, you create a tailored experience where ChatGPT can offer advice, strategies, and conversation tips that match your specific needs and relationship goals. You can adjust the tone, playful, serious, motivational, and the style of coaching, like a dating expert, supportive friend, or relationship therapist, based on your preferences. Remember though, when using AI for online dating, it's important to keep your interactions authentic. Always personalize ChatGPT's responses. You use them as a guide, but tweak the wording so it reflects your unique voice and personality. Add real-life stories or personal details to make your profile and messages feel genuine. There's no copy-paste here. It can come across as robotic, impersonal, or too formal. ChatGPT might generate polished responses, but a conversational, relaxed tone works better for dating. And while it's tempting to rely solely on AI, remember to blend those suggestions with your intuition and real-world interactions. Here's a tip. Read your messages out loud before sending them to make sure they sound like you. And that's how ChatGPT can be your game changer in the world of dating. With its ability to help you craft profiles that highlight your unique qualities, send tailored opening messages, and even select the best photos, This AI tool makes navigating the dating world smoother and more effective. By applying these strategies, you'll present your best, most authentic self and foster connections that resonate. Remember, success in dating starts with being confident in who you are and communicating that clearly. With ChatGPT, you'll have the support you need to stand out and spark meaningful, genuine connections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tips. Let's navigate the world of AI tools together and make the most out of every opportunity. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.